Colorblind Guide for Adults. This course designed to help colorblind people to refine their life. Whether you struggle with colors doing some simple daily tasks or want to learn some basics, this course will take you through every step of the way on how to use colors in your daily life. In this course, we used a new method of learning colors designed only for people with color vision deficiency. This is the world's first colorblind guide to help you or your loved ones overcome color-related problems and tasks. This course will be a great solution for people who are tired of guessing colors of things, or buying a wrong color shirt, wearing not matching socks, and keeping color blindness as a secret. It's for those who want to uncover a new way to approach colors. Some of the topics we will cover: interesting facts about colors, color basics, latest treatments for color blindness, color identification system, color table we designed for colorblind people, helpers for identifying colors on any image, photos on Instagram, or any object like furniture in a shop. We will show you how to use more than 12 applications designed for colorblind people. We will teach you the secret of working with color schemes to create amazing color combinations. You will learn how to set up a stylish-looking outfits. We will also cover additional topics related to choosing colors for your business, home or office design, and so much more. We can't wait to help you improve many aspects of your life. No more pink shirts, uncooked meals, and unripe fruits, and guessing colors. Start your course today and be free from all these frustrations. This is your chance to refine your daily life and get all the best strategies for taking control of your color choices. Break the limits and stigma. Gain confidence. Unleash your unique vision and enjoy your new self. Our refund for this course is around 5%, which means 95% of the people who bought it end up loving it. Sign up right now and start your training in just a couple of minutes.